What is up, YouTube? I am so excited about this today. I can't tell you how cool this is. I have found a brand new set of traffic sources. Like literally, I have never heard of these things. They are awesome. They actually make real money. I am super excited about this. I'm going to tell you all about it in my review of 7-minute sales in just a minute. Before we get to that, if you're new to the channel, my name is Eric Hammer, and I am known as the man with the hat. That's because I wear a fedora, well, pretty much everywhere that I go. I am actually one of the few people that can pull it off successfully. Well, me and this guy. Now, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products, and the make money online niche, basically to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
But really, it's getting annoying again. You know, I was away for a while, and he stopped doing that, and now he's doing it every day. It's super annoying. Anyway, so the way things work here is that if I like a product, I will give a tip of my hat to the product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Thank you, Liz Lemon. Now, you see, Liz, she's a sweetheart. I love Liz. She's absolutely welcome here anytime she wants. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos, because frankly, subscribe doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Go ahead and like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Welcome. We are on the sales page for 7-Minute Sales Machine. Now, this is a brand new course. It's officially brought to you by Jonah Armstrong and Brendan Mace. However, they've actually partnered up with a good friend of mine, Frankie Pellegrino. Frankie is the one who actually came up with this thing. He actually told me about it a while ago, and he mentioned that he wanted to launch it back in December, but Jonah and Brendan said, hey, we love this course. Why don't we do it together with you? And Frankie actually came to me for some advice. And I gave him some advice. They worked it out, and here you go. It's now available. You can see some of the results that Frankie's been able to get, and these are real results. And Frankie is not a well-known marketer. You know, he's not a Jonah. He's not a Brendan. He's not even a me. You know, he's fairly new in the game, but he's been crushing it. And I'm going to show you the members area in just a minute, but I got to tell you something. I was so excited when I saw this because at one point Frankie has this whole reveal where he's saying, I'm going to tell you about these traffic sources. And he's like, I'm sure you've heard of at least this one and this one. And I'm like, okay, great. So he's going to tell me about Pinterest or Twitter or Facebook or some other thing, or Quora maybe. Nope, none of that stuff. It was so cool to see what he had there. I do want to talk about my bonuses before we get into the members area though. So let me go ahead and show you that real quick. Okay, so you can see over here that I actually have about 90 ebooks, and I'm going to be giving you all of these things you're going to be getting from me. These are some ebooks that you can actually give away to increase your odds of actually making sales using the methods that Frankie's going to teach you. Now, the reason I'm giving this to you is because Frankie's method is completely untapped. I've never seen anybody talk about this, like literally never seen a single person discuss this thing. You know, it's not Facebook, it's not Twitter, it's not paid ads, it's all free traffic. It's super cool. But ultimately, people are going to buy this course, and people are going to start using it, and it's going to get a little bit saturated, possibly. But if you can make yourself look unique, then it doesn't matter if it's saturated or not. And so that's why I'm giving you these things. You're going to get this material, all these 90 ebooks. I'm going to give you the sharing link for these things. You can actually go ahead and download them. First of all, you can use them for yourself just to learn from. And second of all, you can use them as bonuses, which is very, very cool stuff. You can actually use these because you're going to have a leg up over everybody else. I'm also going to give you my email secrets video, which is super cool. Very few people know about these secrets, and they really have helped me a lot, even when I have a small list, to actually make a decent profit off of a small list. So I hope that you'll really get a lot out of this. But let's go ahead and take a look right now at the members area of 7-minute sales machine. So here you go. You can see there's an introduction from Jono. The introduction really is not important. He's just going to tell you about their standard high-ticket training call that they're going to be offering as a back end to this. Everything else here, though, is going to be taught to you by Frankie Pellegrino. And this guy he's so cool. I want to show you this. I'm not going to show you the secret traffic sources, obviously. You can see it, 3 secret traffic sources. He's going to show it to you. And what is so cool here, what I loved here was, well, let me not show you all that. What I loved here, what got me so excited, I was watching the video. And over here in the secret traffic source number 1, he starts introducing the things and he's saying, okay, I'm going to show you what these are. And this first one you probably haven't heard of, but these other 2 you may have heard of already. Actually, probably heard of them. And I was like, okay, great. So it's going to be Pinterest, it's going to be YouTube, it's going to be Facebook. It's going to be one of these major things, and maybe some new twist or whatever. And look, I love new twists also. You know, my first product, I came up with a new twist on using Facebook as well as LinkedIn. And I thought that was very, very cool. But what blew me away was he showed me 3 completely new traffic sources I've never even heard of. Literally never heard of these things. And they're completely for free. Okay? Totally completely for free. You can go ahead and use these things and start making money from them almost immediately. Okay? He says 7-minute sales machine.
Which will be exactly 7 minutes and 22 seconds.
Well, maybe not exactly 7 minutes, 22 seconds, but it's close. It's close. Anyway, but seriously, this is so cool because they're completely untapped, brand new traffic sources, which I've never seen before. And I've been around the block a bit. I know a lot of this stuff, so I do highly recommend that you check this thing out. Go ahead and grab it with my bonuses. Make sure you clear your cookies if you do, because otherwise you might end up with somebody else's bonuses. And most of the people who are giving this thing to you are going to give you the standard vendor bonuses. And I'm giving you a few bonuses that are coming from Jono and Brendan also. But I wanted to give you my own custom bonuses, which nobody else is going to give you, because these are going to be super valuable to you. So I really hope that you're going to get some value out of it. Let's go ahead and see if I'm going to give you a tip in my Head to the Product Creator or not.
You rock!
Frankly, you absolutely rock. I love this course. And, I wish you would come to me and I would have launched it with you because I think it's awesome. Really and truthfully, I think this is one of the best courses I've seen in a very long time. Gets my highest recommendation. Really, you absolutely are going to love this. Go ahead and grab this.